Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the simplest way to download and install GIT on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now GIT is a powerful tool that helps you manage your code and collaborate with others, whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer. This video will guide you through the installation process step by step. If you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you for joining me. So let's get started. First, let's check if we have GIT already installed on our PC. By doing that, we are going to type in the search bar here cmd and open the command prompt. Now we are going to type GIT and press enter. Now it says GIT is not recognized as an internal or external command, so which means GIT is not installed. Now we can also check this by using Visual Studio Code if you have Visual Studio Code installed. If not that, check my tutorial on the card up there to learn how to install Visual Studio Code on your Windows PC. So we are going to go to the source control and it says install GIT, which means GIT is not installed. It says download GIT for Windows, so GIT is not installed on our PC. So let's get it installed then. Open your web browser and type in the search bar GIT download. GIT download. So GIT download, you go to GIT downloads, or if you are using the Google Chrome, so let's use Google. For those that are on Chrome, they type GIT download, then now you go to downloads, click on this downloads. Now when you get to this page, latest source release is 2.40.1, so we are going to download the latest source release for GIT. So click on download for Windows. Now when you get to this page, you are going to click here to download the latest version. So your download is going to start automatically. It's going to ask you where to save it. Okay, so I'm going to save it in my programs and it's going to download. So you see the download going on here. So as soon as this is done, we are going to install GIT on our desktop. So GIT is done downloaded. Now let's open our Windows Explorer, go to downloads, go to programs, and we are going to double click on this to launch and then install the GIT on our Windows 11 PC. So let's go through the installation process here. Now we are going to click next and click next. We are going to leave most of the things as default here, so you just click next. So when you get to this place, choosing the default editor used by GIT, select this drop down menu and select use Visual Studio Code as default editor, because I have Visual Studio Code installed on my PC, so I'm going to use that as the default editor. But if you don't have Visual Studio Code installed, you can check out my tutorial on how to download and install Visual Studio Code on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Now click on next to continue. Next, 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 next. We don't need to do anything here, so we are just going to click on next to continue and finish up. Alright, so next, next, and when you get here, please configuring experimental options. Please don't select any feature. Do not select any feature, please, and click on install. So it is done installing. If you want to view your release notes, you can leave this option on or launch GIT bash. If you want to do that, you can select these options and then click finish. But if not that, I'm going to deselect it and then I'll click finish. Now to check if GIT is installed, let's go to cmd in the search bar and then we'll type GIT, and you will see these are the commands or common commands you can use in GIT, which means that GIT is installed on our PC now. Now let's do that by also using Visual Studio Code. Now we go to the source control again and click on reload. So after it's done reloading, you will see in order to use Git features, you can open a folder containing a Git repository or clone from a URL. This simply means that Git has been installed on your PC and you can use Visual Studio Code to upload your codes or clone a Git repository and then work on that project that you want to work with. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below. Just type any question you want to ask me over there and then I will be glad to answer you. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Alright, see you in the next video.